Hi, I'm Brigetta, and tonight I'm making for dinner Mediterranean chicken meatballs with tzatziki sauce. So let's get started. Here's my cucumber. I've already chopped it up because I want to make sure about the moisture. The last one I had a lot of liquid in it. This one does not. So I'm going to add my fresh dill. This is the tzatziki sauce, if I didn't say. Here's our Greek yogurt. I have fresh garlic. I've got extra virgin olive oil. You're going to need salt and lemon juice. I'm going to put the top on and plug it in. Okay, let's pulse it. Let's see how it looks. Yep, looks good, but I'm going to push down on the sides. Make sure it all gets incorporated. And I'm doing this first because I just want it to sit and have the flavors a chance to meld together. This is what you're going to use for dipping. Okay. Okay, that looks great. I'm just going to let this sit here and then we're going to move on. Okay, now I'm going to make my Mediterranean meatballs, chicken meatballs that is. Got my chicken. Got one egg. Got a red onion. We've got fresh garlic. Okay, I've got basil. Most of this is fresh. My plants are new, so I don't have a lot of leaves on them yet. Roasted red peppers. I'm sorry, sun-dried tomatoes. Sun-dried tomatoes. Breadcrumbs. I've got oregano. Smoked paprika. Pepper. And salt. Okay, I'm going to start to mix it up. Look at all that color. Now I'm ready to make the meatballs. So you can make them any size you want. I'm going for this size. They're going to seem very soft in the beginning, but that's okay. They will firm up as they cook. And then I'm just putting them on my plate. I rolled the mixture into about 38 meatballs, and then I stuck it in the freezer to firm them up. And now we're at the stove. I'm going to cook them on the stove. The first time I cooked them in the oven, which we thought was good, but I wanted to try the other option of on the stove. Okay, I'm adding oil. We want to brown the meatballs. I'm going to add some butter too. Start adding our meatballs. Oh yeah, they definitely firmed up in the freezer. That was about 20 minutes. Now, like I said, mine are small. If you want to make them bigger, of course, you'd get less meatballs. So this could be your dinner, or it could be an appetizer.
You want them bite size.
Yeah, okay.
Say that.
You can say it too.
I'm too far away from the microphone.
Oh, okay. So we think they should be bite size. Now we're going to try Mediterranean chicken meatballs.
Yay, I'm hungry.
Good. We're both hungry. All right, so
How do we do this? You got a couple things here. You got the tzatziki sauce.
And then non-dippers.
Got those at the grocery store.
Yep, those look really cool. I thought they'd make a great addition. So I guess maybe some sauce in the middle.
Okay.
Just a guess.
Thank you.
Okay. Take a couple non-dippers.
Great. And a few meatballs.
Yep, and a few meatballs. Okay.
Perfect.
All right. Now I think we just dip them in the tzatziki sauce.
Can I use my fingers?
Yeah, that would. Yeah, I'll do that too.
Mmm.
Oh, I like that.
The sauce is good. Let me try the naan bread.
Okay.
Piece here. Oh, that is good, Borgetta.
Which we got at Costco, but they sell it in, I'm sure, all the grocery stores. I like that.
That's flavorful.
It is. I'm really happy with that.
Pretty cool. This is the first time you've made this for YouTube.
You're right. That's true. And it turned out great. That's
Sure
the best part. I really like it.
Grab a cucumber.
This would be great for a party. Yep. Have your dip, plenty of your non-dippers.
You could use vegetables.
Yeah, cucumber. Yeah, vegetables.
Nice.
It's healthy. I like it. So we'll probably have this again. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 2 videos a week, and the recipe is always in the description box. We'll see you next time with another great recipe.
Bye-bye.